Hi, my name is Balloon Josh, and I'm here with ClownAntics.com. And today, you're going to learn how to make my quick line work Mickey Mouse head that is always a huge hit. So this is going to be my character head design. Now, I love versatile designs that can easily be changed to create many different things and not just one design. So this design I'm about to teach you, I think is perfect for a lot of the kids' favorite cartoon characters right now. So, for example, if you do it in these colors, it's very easily Sonic the Hedgehog. So this is what I would do for my Sonic. Or if you do it this way, it's the exact same balloon. It's twisted the exact same way. All I did was change the colors a little bit, add a bow, and now it's Hello Kitty. Couple changes, the exact same balloon, made the exact same way, it's now Pikachu. Couple more changes, exact same balloon, exact same design, it's now Minnie Mouse. Take off the bow, it's Mickey. This can also very easily be changed into a very quick Paw Patrol. So this is my character balloon that we're gonna be learning. For Mickey Mouse balloon, we're going to need a peach blush, we're going to need a white scrap, and we're going to need a black balloon. We'll start with the peach blush. You're going to want to leave roughly a little bit more than a hand width or 4 to 5 inches uninflated. You're going to start with a loop twist and take the knot, pull it through, and then we're going to do 2 more loop twists. These are going to be Mickey's mouth and cheeks. So you have 3 identical loop twists. Then we're going to make roughly a hand-sized bubble. These are going to be Mickey's head, and followed by a 1-inch pinch twist, and then bring it back down, tie it around the base of those 3 loop twists, and then you have the foundation for Mickey's head. Now we need to attach his eyes. This is a white scrap. It doesn't matter how long or how much is uninflated because you don't need very much. So take the knot, and you tie the knot around the base of the loop twist, and then you're going to take it up and tie it around the pinch twist at the top of Mickey's head, and then bring it back down, tying it around the loop twists, and then break off the excess, and then just tuck it into the head. So here you have Mickey's head and his eyes. Now we need to add the black part. So you're going to take the knot and you're going to tie it around the base where the 3 loop twists are. They're going to make roughly a hand-sized bubble, followed by a small 1-inch pinch twist. Now we're going to do a loop twist and tuck the pinch twist into the middle of the loop twist, followed by a 1-inch bubble, and then we're going to attach that to the pinch twist at the top. That's one side of Mickey's head. So now we do it again. We do a 1-inch bubble, followed by a small 1-inch bubble, which turns into a pinch twist. Then we do a small loop twist, and we're going to tuck the pinch twist into the loop twist, then a bubble that's a little bit wider than our hand, and that ties to the base where those 3 loop twists are. We tuck that around. Now here's where it gets tricky. We want to break this off, but save it. We don't want to throw it away. So we break it off, hold it, let go of the part that's on the head, and then we want to leave just a little bit because this is going to be Mickey's cute little nose. So you squeeze out the air, pinch it off, let go, then you have to retie it, and you want Mickey's nose. Then you're going to tuck that through the loop twist on the front, and then you pull it out the bottom, and then you're going to wrap that around the head and tuck it inside, and that gives you a very cute Mickey head. It's also very quick. Now for the eyes, I like drawing the eyes the way they were originally drawn way back in the black and white when Mickey first came out. And they gave him these Pac-Man shaped eyes, which I think work actually great, not just for Mickey, but for most characters. It's a very easy way to draw eyes that also looks very animated, and it's a really cute look. And a lot of people don't draw them that way anymore. And then for the mouth, give him a nice smiley mouth. Make sure you draw the tongue in there. And there's a very quick and fun Mickey Mouse head. Thank you so much for watching. All of the products used are listed down below. please remember to like this video if you'd like to see others like it. We hope to see you again. Have a wonderful day.